Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix candy dryer light flashing E21 error code. So step 1, you need to unplug the dryer for safety. Turn off the dryer and unplug it from the wall. Safety first before doing any inspection or cleaning. Step 2, empty the water tank if not plumbed in. If your dryer is not connected to a drain hose, it uses a removable water tank. Remove the tank, empty it completely, and place it back correctly. Step 3, clean the condenser unit. Open the condenser compartment, usually at the bottom front. Remove the condenser and rinse it with warm water. So you can try to rinse it to remove lint or debris. Let it dry, then place it back properly. Step 4, check for block drain pump or hose. Step 4, check for the block drain pump or hose. Remove the back panel if comfortable and safe. Locate the drain pump and hose. Check for blockages. Check for blockages such as lint, hair, or small fabric pieces, and then clean gently using a brush or cloth. Step 5, reset the machine. Plug the machine back in. Press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds or consult your model's manual for reset instruction. Run a short cycle to test. Step 6 and final step is call Candy support if needed. If the E21 error still shows up, the pump motor or sensor may be faulty. Contact customer service or a certified technician. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.